What's the same about them? The letter's the same on them, right? But can the number in front of them be different? Sure. What do we call that number in front? The letter's the variable. What's the number in front? Coefficient. Good job. Coefficient. Um, Sippy, give me a term with a variable on it. Give me a variable term. Just make one up. Oh, come on. Yes, you can give me a number. Give me a variable. Give me a T. G. That's good. That's good. All right. Give me a Give me another variable term. Yeah. 4G. Are these like terms? Why? They got the same letter. They both got the G, right? So if I came over here and I did this, could I combine them? Yeah, because they're like terms. How do I combine them? Put them together, right? Add them. What am I adding? The coefficients. 10 plus 4. What do I get? 14 grand. All right. It doesn't matter what the variable is as long as it's the same. What if it has two variables on it? What if it looks something like this? Are those like terms? By the way, I'm on the back of your first page following along with you guys. Oh, but it's not. Oh, all right. Are those two like terms? Yes, but they look different than the variables we just talked about. Is that okay? Yeah, notice how they've got the exponent, but because it's the same exponent and it's still the same variable, I can still combine them. They're still like terms. What do I get? Say again, say louder. Somebody said it. I don't know who did. 12x squared. We combine the coefficients, but we leave that x squared alone. Whatever the variable is, we keep it on there with the exponent that's on there. Everybody okay? Sure? All right. Let's look at the next one then. Is the next one, are those like terms? I've got negative 15 into the fifth, and I've got 4 into the fifth. Are those like terms? I see some people doing this, and some people going, I'm not so sure. Is the variable the same? The exponent? The coefficients, I got one positive and one negative. Does that matter? No. So what do they combine to become? What is negative 15 plus 4? Negative 11 into the fifth. Everybody okay? All right. Let's kick it up a notch then. Look at number 11. So remember Friday we were circling and squaring and triangling and all that kind of stuff? My question is, are these like terms? And if not, which ones are like terms? They are like terms. So can I combine them? Elijah, if you can sit up for me, please, and put that away because I will not warn you again. That is your only one. Which you doing? Okay, well sit up. What does it become when we combine it? Can we combine it? Yes, we can. C to the third is my variable, right? Exponent is the same on every single one of them. So when I combine, I could just take out my calculator and say 8 minus 7 plus 6, right? Or I can do that in my head, I hope, right? What's 8 and negative 7? Careful. 8 minus 7, 1 plus 16. 17 what? There you go. 17C to the third. That one doesn't change. Okay, everybody wants to change that one. Don't change that. All right, let's go down. I don't want to get bogged down doing too many of them. Let's look at 13. Negative 4a squared b plus 7 plus 10a squared b. It's not harder, right? Look at these. I've got multiple variables here. I've got no variable here. Tell me what that means. Um, you ever heard that one? Have you seen that one? Um, what? What? Canvas. What's that? I got on the same shirt. You think I look like her? You think that's nothing? All right. Which ones are like terms? Why are these like terms and not this one? This one doesn't have a variable, but be very careful, right? This is a squared, b, and b. So all the variables have to be exactly alike with the same exponent. So we all agree the first and the last are like terms? Go okay there? All right. So if those are like terms, I'll circle them. What does that become when I combine them? 6a squared b. Am I going too fast? Am I going too slow? Am I boring y'all to death? Yeah, I'm sorry. Let's do one more. Let's do 15. We're getting like progressively harder here. All right, 15. A squared plus 7ab minus 10ab plus b squared. Dominique, do you see any like terms in that one? What do you think? You don't know? Somebody help him out. Yes, which one? The two middle ones, right? These are like terms. That's okay. We all learn it together. The A and the B, they have the same variables with the same exponents, right? Everybody okay there? When I combine them, what do they become? 3AB. How about this A squared? Is there another like term to go with A squared? Nope. So guess what? Just leave it. How about the B squared? Nope. Just leave it. It is. Thank you. It is -3. That's on me. Thank you. So if you want to get up and get a lunch if you want it, chocolate number. That's what you want. Chocolate number. Oh, and the lunch. Apples. Wrap. There's apples, wrap, goldfish. Don't forget to it's regular. Their whole brand was regular. I'm gonna get you one. I think it's regular. Oh, I'm sorry. No, this is for y'all. That's what wraps was fast. Oh, that's very to me, lovingly sharing everybody's work. I should have paused my recording. Ooh, let's look at 20. How about I look at 20? Now, the first thing that I need to do to answer the question in number 20 what's it ask me to do? Read the directions right before that says, we're going to be waiting on you. When I get done with this problem, we're going to be ready to go over it. But you know who my dad is? What? You know who my dad is? No. Really? I know him? Oh, I'm on here. Okay. What does this section ask me to do? It says to do what? Find the what? Perimeter. What does perimeter mean? All the sides, right? I'm going to add all those sides together. So look at these sides, because these are some crazy sides, right? If I need to add all these together, I'm going to do this, plus this, plus this, plus this, right? How am I going to add these crazy looking things? What am I going to look for? There you go, like terms, right? All right, Trevor, you look like you're ready to answer something. I see a k squared right here. Where are the other like terms there with k squared? Go to the top. Do I have anything that goes with it? Yes. Which one? Which one? K squared. How about on the side over there? K squared. How about on the bottom? No? Oh, 2k squared. Right? If I add, if I add all the ones that are circled together, what do I get? K squared, K squared, K squared, K squared, and 2k squared. What does that give me? 5. Does everybody see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody okay there? 5k squared. How many k's do I have? Well, let's see. 1. How about up top? Do I have any here? Negative 9k. That's right. And be careful for that negative sign. Negative 9k. How about on the side? K. Bottom? None, right? So what is k? Negative 9k and 1k. Negative 7k. Okay so far? I've got these numbers on the end. What are those numbers on the end called that don't have a variable with them? Constants. Good job. Constants. The only thing I have left, 23, negative 17. What's negative 17 and 23? Close. Is it 6? 23 minus 17? It is 6. There's the perimeter. Does that make sense? All right. Let me tell you what we're going to do with this.